Welcome to this training video on how to get started with tenancy and branding for Admiral. To begin, you're going to want to send an email to support@Admiral Platform to let us know that you want tenancy set up and what additional company names you want added. You will find those under your profile menu and a drop-down with the different company names. If you want to change to the new company, you can add routers, users, and tags for the new company. To set up your branding, you're going to want to go under the Admin Settings menu, click Branding, and you'll see a form like this one. As noted, for best results, use good quality images with transparent backgrounds and follow the recommendations on the sizes. File names must not contain spaces or special characters. The first image is the white logo on the login page. The second image is the dashboard image page. And the third image is the primary logo that you'll see in your dashboard. In addition, you can update a custom message to your subscribers. And in addition, you can also add a custom message for activation. Once you've uploaded your images and your custom email scripts, save settings, refresh the page. Occasionally you might have to log out and log back in, but you should see your new images. Reach out to us if you have any problems or questions, and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.